What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here, Quick Explorers. Today we're going to explore one of the highest peaks of East Boston, Massachusetts, in the neighborhood of Orient Heights. A shrine to Madonna. We're going to be heading up there right now. Remember, if you're watching this video, please subscribe so you never miss an episode, and hit the little alert button to let us know. Every time we'll let you know every time we post a new video. And let's head over there now. We're going to climb up to this hill. You see this place, or this monument I should say, every time you fly into Boston to Logan, because it's right near the airport. And we're gonna take a right up here, and then you know you're in the right direction, because we can't really see it, but there's a giant cross up there. There we go. We're heading that direction right now. Subscribe, leave a comment, hit the alert, and here we are. What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here, Wicked Explorers, and we're at the Madonna Shrine here in East Boston, Massachusetts. We did not realize it was under construction, or renovation, I should say. It looks like they're putting a new floor down. If you are not familiar with this, is that giant, I guess you could say, castle-like structure you can see from Logan Airport, from pretty much all around the East Boston area. We're in the Orient Heights neighborhood of East Boston right now. But yeah, they're doing some work right there. It's been quite some time since I've been here, actually. It's probably been about 10 years or so since I checked this out. But never checked it out, recorded or anything. But like, let's go take a look. I know that they're doing construction to the main part where you can kind of look over and see into the overlooks Boston Logan Airport and stuff like this. But I think the shrine might be open. I can show you a little bit of that down here, and then this always gives an excuse to come by and visit it again. There's a better view right here. I'm gonna try to stay nice and quiet because we are in kind of a church environment here. It's open 24 hours a day according to online. I've been up here at night, so. But if you can look out there, these guys working, you can see the runways of Logan Airport. And when you come in an airplane, this is the first thing you see. It's this giant structure. It's pretty amazing. So when you walk in, there's the gift shop right there. It's closed today, it looks like. But it's very similar to a church. Statues and everything like this. A little stone and tile work in there. Statues. I think this is the temporary wall. Yeah, it is definitely a temporary wall. So basically, this is all open. There's the cross right there. Not quite sure when they started construction on this renovation, but I don't live in the area at all anymore, so I guess I wouldn't really know any of the news about it. If you guys are watching this video, let me know when they say it's going to be done, and if you can actually go inside kind of the monument over there. I don't know if you can actually go inside anymore, or maybe that's what they're fixing this all for, but let's go downstairs and check out the shrine down there and see what it's all about. so I didn't want to do much talking in there out of respect. It's technically a church. Looks like it's still a Catholic church, but possibly more of a Spanish Catholic church, if you will. Gives me history. It was built in 1954 by the fathers of Don Orion. We're in Orion Heights, and there's also a I guess retirement home over here behind us. This is all built around the same time, and it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna actually turn the camera around and show you. So when we were in there, we went down about 4 stories. So with street level, where we're at right now, you know, 4 stories down, but built on the side of a hill. So when you get down to about this point over here, it's basically street level for over there. But look over there, you can see the planes all taxiing. Logan right there. You can see planes. The Spirit jet right there. There's the control tower right there of Logan. But yeah, this is how close we are to Logan Airport. And you see this as you fly in all the time. Let me see if I can get a better angle on the top of it. But yeah, they're all lining up to take off. There we go. There's the Southwest jet right there. There it goes. See all the other planes next to it all lining up. It's going to take off over Dorchester and South Boston. It takes forever for things to take off, huh? There it goes. They're rotated. And it's off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 planes ready to go after that. You guys see it through the trees right there. I think we get a better view. What's the way I can get down? Let's see if another angle. Let's see if I can figure that out. Tip, not sure if I got much of a view here, but you can tell it was definitely a need for some repairs. I'm not sure when the last time it got renovated, but if it was built in 1954, we're looking at 66 years of service here. So concrete and brick and stone can only last so long without being maintained. And the shit's gonna look beautiful once it's all done. Anyone knows a little more information about this, let me know. I mean, I used to drive by this every day. It looks like there's glass up there, so it looks like there's like an observation tower. Let me know if you can go in there, or you could go in there, and the plans are, could people go in there once it's finished? I'm dying to find out. It looks pretty cool. All right, so it doesn't look like it's the Don Orion home anymore. It looks like the sign was taken off right there, and it looks like a Healthcare of East Boston's taking over the building. And this is a very 50s building right here. It looks like a lot of schools that I went to school in that were built in the 50s. Very unique architecture. Those windows, the row windows was a big thing. The concrete with the kind of I guess you could say like blinds that kind of pop out, the blades. And there's a church next door. They're really, really, really cool stained glass, which is awesome. Yeah. Like I said, it's a church, so I didn't want to do too much filming or poking around there and try to be as respectful as possible, because it is a place of worship and people do go there. There was no one in there at the time. If there was, I wouldn't have even thought about taking the phone out. And, you know, so I did the proper procedures you do in a church. And yeah, that's it. It doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get down. I don't want to interfere with the construction site at all. There is this little shrine set up in the back over here. It's pretty cool. This is kind of like the side view. There's stairs though. Did not see, do not cross sign. Looks like a dead end over there. I'm not gonna try that. I'm not gonna bother going down. Those look like the emergency exits for the church. It's kind of cool because you think the church is like underground, but it really isn't. It's built just on the side of the hill. Some manger cutouts right there, some brick. They obviously have been probably removed from above where they're doing the work. But it's nice that they repaired it. It is open 24 hours according to online. So if you need to do some last minute worshiping, or you coming late from work and you got time to go to mass, you want to say your prayers, you can go in there and do what you need to do. I think that's it. Oh, that stone. Looks like stuff that was originally there. They're gonna try to recover, clean up, and do what it's gonna do. So I'd love to see when this is a finished product. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. I'm about to make a recap video when it's all done. Check it out. And definitely, if anyone's watching this, can tell me about up there. I'm curious if we can go up there. Or you could go out there and always like, I'd love to see some pictures of that. That statue's absolutely amazing right there. So there you go. The Madonna Shrine here in Orion Heights, East Boston, Massachusetts. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye!